During a penetration testing phase, you may encounter accessing a standard user, where you don't have a full privilege to access or modify a file system due to the user access control or UAC. And each time you try to elevate your privilege, you will be prompted to this window which asks you to enter the administrator password. In this video, we will discuss one of the types of doing a privilege escalation attack, where you technically jump from a standard user, like geek account here, into administrator or system privilege. This type of attacks, which we will discuss, called privilege escalation via service file permission weakness. The system will be vulnerable if the location of a service executable file is modifiable by the standard user. Then it can be overwritten by another malicious executable. We may use this capability to gain system privileges or system privilege by putting our own executable in place of the service executable. Then, once the service is started, after restarting the system, the replaced executable will run instead of the original service executable. So, in summary, we got a system privilege is gonna run an EXE, and this EXE belongs to a vulnerable software. Now, since this software EXE can be written by a standard user and within a standard user profile, then we can simply replace it with a malicious EXE. So this software EXE can be written or can be modified by a user space using a standard user. So what we can do, we can simply replace this software EXE with a malicious one. Okay, so this is our malicious EXE in red color. And on the next reboot, our EXE is gonna take a place and will be executed with the power of system privilege. In the PDF file, I posted a link about privilege escalation types with a brief description for each type. If you got some time, I really recommend to read this article. In the next video, we will see the vulnerability in action, so stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching.